Alright, we're back. We got a situation here. Dude, it's raining harder now. Go sit down the street. Damn! Yeah. Someone used some cheap materials or something. Look at that fence. It's got taken out the ground, homie. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's continue. I don't even know, dude. I don't know if everyone on the video can smell this, but it smells kind of crappy around here. Nick's shaking his ass through the foggy lens. Hold on a sec, I gotta fix that. What? That's all the way soon. No, I'm just kidding. Next left. Alright. I hope this turned out good, dude, because like the lens is kind of cloudy because of stupid saran wrap. More wind and rain. Oh! Holy crap! Dude! Oh my god! OMG! OMG. Like for serious. Oh my god. I almost lost control of the bike there. I'm heading to deep waters! I was like, I'm heading into deep waters. It's like 10 inches deep. Oh shit. Hey! Hey, what the hell you doing messing on my road? Homie? Make me get out the way here. Oh my god. Storm surge.